2014 to 2019 GM 53 and 62 spark plug replacement. I'm doing this on the 18 Silverado, but you will be the same on a lot of GM truck and SUVs with the V8 engine. So I'm gonna start by removing the spark plug wires. I'm using a spark plug power tool. I'll be putting the link in the comment section below. I'm doing the driver side first. That's the easiest side, by the way, to remove. Break them free, break the spark plug free from the wells, and also do this on the cold engine. And you will need a few extensions to do this job, short and long extension depending on the application. We got one spark plug out. They were pretty much in good condition. I'm doing it just for maintenance, basic maintenance, because the vehicle is 120,000 miles. They've never been done before. They past the time. They are overdue. But the vehicle had no drivability concern at that time. Yep, spark plug is in. I'm tightening all of them down, and I'll be changing the wires. You have the old spark plug that's just for one side, or for on one side, and use the new one for the other side. And the wires, 8 spark plugs, 8 wires. It is a V8 engine, obviously. Those things can be challenging to take out because of the heat and a lot of cycle, so they can be challenging in stock. You're gonna push this thing all the way in. Do the same thing on the other side. Here it is. I'm going to be switching on the driver side pretty soon. The passenger side, it's still it's a little challenging to do, but it's not impossible. I didn't mention it here, but you should remove the coolant hose out of the way. Not remove it completely, but just pop the push pin out so you can put it over the engine, and it be held by bungee cord. I'm showing you how to remove those things using this plier. I use both. I use the small one and the big one. I'll post the link for the kit that I have. Taking like I was mentioning earlier, you need different extension length. You see why here I was using earlier I was using a short extension. For the passenger rear, the last spark plug is the hardest one. You have to be a little creative to take it out, so I'm using a swivel and the spark plug socket to put it in and to take it out. It will be a little challenging to do, but it is doable. That's why I get out the way first. Okay. You got the new spark plugs. They're going in pretty tight. The new wires are in. Use the bungee cord. The vehicle's ready to be started. We push the push pin in place. All good to go. Moment of truth, guys. Thanks for watching.